installing a roof at the Rosenbach Museum, it's a historical library. We're installing a low-slope TPO roof. The benefit of a low-slope TPO roof, it's maintenance-free for 25 years, and the material reflects the sun. So this is a very detail-oriented job. So if you're not experienced with TPO or commercial material, it's very easy to install home. I'm John Beck, Beck Family Roofing. You can call us at 215-331-ROOF or visit our website at beckfamilyroofing.net.
Don't let a goof do your roof.
All right, let's go. We definitely missed that.